So this is the chart of the Australian dollar paid against the USD, and I'm going to show you guys what I have on my price chart. As you all know, I have to go to the 3-month chart because I want to see this chart on the higher time frame. So I can just use my channel to mark the lows in this market. The lows in this market, I would prefer to have my lows at this level. We have our lows at this level. Okay, let's just add this to here. We have these lows here. All right, these lows, we capture these lows. Okay, let's extend this a little bit forward. We can make this to be gray because the level is here to be taken out, and they'll replicate this as a resistance above. Let's do this to this level. It's not about having a clean chart. Let's just put this. Okay, now we all know in this market we are in a downtrend, and we have another major key level support here. We have a major high here. So these are the major highs in this market. So we need to understand that. Now once we have that level, we are viewing this price chart from the highest time frame of structure. Yeah, now we can go to the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, we have this clean chart, cleanest chart ever. This is a clean chart ever, cleanest chart ever. All right, now we can see obviously we are transforming in there. We are going through a range band median, and I like this kind of pattern. It is easy to trade if you understand the concept. Right now, the concept right here is at each support or demand, whatever you want to call it, just know a lot of bulls are interested at this low structure. The same goes, bears are interested at the upper structure, so we always have it to the downside, So at this level we keep on bouncing through this medium. We bounce through this medium, so we are going to a range band medium. Don't need any technical indicator to tell us anything about this. That is on AUDUSD. Right now, before I move to the lower time frame, I have some structures which I would like to point out. First, I have a level here. You can see this level here. It's a level I love to pin out. I would love to change the color of this level. Yes, so that we can have this minor structure, and this level extended to this side. You can see how it cuts through these highs, lows, body, breakout, retest, 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 currently breaking out. There's another level. You can see that. So that is an important level we need to take note of as a price action trader. We need to take note of that level. Right now, since we have this level, we can now move to the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, this is what we have. Cleanest chart ever. Cleanest chart ever. Let's go back to the weekly chart. All right, now we can see how these levels, demand, supply, breakout, demand, false breakout, liquidity or sweep, a sweep breakout. Now it is likely for us this week to have a test of this level, and we could see a sweep to the downside. That's what I'm seeing on AUDUSD. Now we could have price gravitating this level into this bearish block and then down. You can see that. Now we go to the day chart. This is what we have on the day chart. Now there are two possibilities for us in this market. First, let's see if we can capture a trend to the downside, low high swings. I'd like to make this a trend line, and okay, let's just to the downside. Now you see what we have. We are having a channel to the downside. This is a channel to the downside, just like what I told you. Let's just move this chart here. Now we can have price gravitate to this to fill this level, and we see our push down. So which means technically we could see a point of interest here. I would love to put my stop above this highs of 4th of December 2024, and to the low structure here, that will be 5:1 ratio. Now we need to exercise patience before we can rally to this level. Yeah. Now we go to the day chart. This is what we have on the day chart. I mean on the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, this is what we have. So this is a simple price action patterns right here. Just keep it simple. So let me know your view in the comment section. Do you think AUD is gonna go up, down? And another way round, let's go back to the day chart. Another way round here is let's get this out. Let's say for instance, let's go to the weekly chart. Now if we are looking out for a push to the upside, maybe we want to join the bulls. Let's say for instance we want to join the bulls in this rally. This is the way I would prefer to take an entry. First, I want to see a push into this level for a massive strong rejection to the upside. Now let's go to the day chart and see what I mean. The day chart, I want to see a push. Just okay, I want to see a push to this level and a rejection, something like this, maybe a confirmation back, something like this. This could take us this. Now let's check on the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, can we see something like this? Goes up, maybe goes down and give us this, and then from this we rally all the way down. Yeah, so we can see something like this. So let me know in the comment box, what do you think about this analysis on the Australian dollar pair against the USD?